Hey guys, and welcome to another episode on Northwoods Exploration. As always, my name is Jeremy, and welcome to the very first video of the fall. I'm sitting back out on top of the ridge, overlooking the creek that runs behind my cabin. This is one of the first times I've been able to get out here in quite some time, but I wanted to come out and just take a look at the cabin, take a look at the terrain, see how things have changed over the summer. Right now it's about 45 to 50 degrees, I would imagine. A little warm because I've been chopping wood the last 30 to 45 minutes. But it's it's a nice evening, very nice evening. I've got about maybe an hour, maybe a little bit less until sundown. But I wanted to hop on here and just make a quick video about some of the things I bring out on just a simple run out here to the cabin. And I don't bring a whole lot when I know I'm coming out here to the cabin and I know I'm going to be in the woods. I might go exploring a little bit in the creek basin. I might, go across the fields, see if I can find any animal trails, look for tracks, follow tracks, that type thing. So I don't bring a whole lot with me. As far as any type of blades that I bring with me, of course, I bring my Ontario Wrap Model 1. And yes, as I commented on Metal Complex, I do have a lanyard on here, bright yellow, neon yellow in particular, so I can find it if I drop it. As far as a fixed blade, I'm trying this out right now. This is the Ontario Wrap 3. It's got about a 4-inch blade on it, and I do not have an opinion on it at the moment. I've had this knife for about a week or so, and I'm going to give it a shot this fall and see if it can be my go-to knife for everything I'm going to need in the woods. I also brought out here this time my Victorinox Swiss Army Evo Grip S18. As you've heard me guys say before about this, has everything you need in a Swiss Army knife, nothing that you don't. And of course, I never leave home without my handy dandy Bic lighter and my O-Light. I believe this one is the S2 Arbiton 2. So definitely want to bring those out. And just in case I wanted to do a little bit of exploring, I brought my backpack. This is a Vertx Ready Pack 2.0, and I didn't bring a whole lot out this time. I wasn't sure how long I was going to be out, and so always bring some extra clothing. So I brought my Carhartt winter hat just in case I'm out here a little after sundown. Also brought my coat with me just in case as well, and brought my filter with me, my Life Straw filter. And I also brought my med kit with me, which is a staple when I am in the woods. Oh. Also brought my Ride in the Rain notebook just in case there are some things that came to mind that I might want to jot down. Moving on to the middle compartment. Brought some gloves. Don't think I'm going to need these, but you never know. It can get cold at night. I'm not going to take this out of the MOLLE webbing, but I also brought my ham radio with me, my Bofing UV5RA. I packed very light this time, as I said. A couple little odds and ends that I threw in this bottom pouch. I brought my headlamp because you can never have too many headlamps. I also brought a backup flashlight just in case. And I also brought my Leatherman Super Tool 300. Never leave home without that. It's a little too heavy to throw on the belt. There are some other odds and ends in here. Got a couple extra lighters, stuff like that. Still have the bug dope from the summer. So that's pretty much it for what I brought out this time. Just wanted to come out, sit, relax, enjoy, chop some wood. I'm going to be working on the cabin here in the next few weeks, getting it ready for the fall and winter, especially for hunting season. And so I'll begin preparations for that. Got to get it completely cleaned out, and I want to put some more flooring in and also get some tar paper on the outside of it, so maybe I can insulate it a little bit better this year so I'm not quite as cold. So anyway guys, that's going to do it for this video. Just wanted to share a few of the things I brought out with me this time. And as always, enjoying the adventure. Take care guys. We'll catch you in the next video.